Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean.
So we are at Lowe's looking for our Christmas tree, me and the kiddos. And there's a lot of inventory here. We usually love to get the Fraser fir trees, and we're looking for like an 8-footer. So yes, come with us as we look for the tree. Oh, I like that one.
This is 7.
Yes, it's nice and tall.
Mama.
Watch out. You gotta see.
Okay, that one is a 7-footer.
It's actually 8.
Really?
It's over here priced with these.
Ah, okay, so yeah. So we may have found the one that we wanted, but we're gonna keep looking anyway just to see if we see anything else.
No way.
Wow, that one's probably
10.
Oh goodness.
That's 10 feet.
Yeah, our ceilings are not that high.
Come on this side. We gotta come on this side.
Okay.
My ceilings were this high in that.
Wow.
I wish my ceilings were that high.
That is huge.
That's so big.
Wow.
Wow, that like covers the whole tree.
Oh, look at that bunny over there. You guys look at that bunny. See that
Yeah,
bunny?
I saw it. The buddy.
That doesn't look like your typical Fraser fir. That looks different.
It could be somebody could have.
We're gonna dance, 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 come on. Dance. We're gonna dance, dance, have a good time. Dance, dance, all night long. We're gonna dance, dance, and have a good time. I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling, or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You and me. Doesn't matter, it's Christmas in my heart. Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling, or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year
Okay, so here are all of my white and silver ornaments. We're about to put up the tree, get the tree together. And so I'll just kind of tell you a little bit where some of these are from. These picks right here are from Michael's. This trumpet right here I got last year from Hobby Lobby. These flowers I believe are from Michael's. And these Santa Clauses are from Dollar Tree. Also these silver bells, these are so pretty. They're from Dollar Tree. These angels right here, they say joy. These are from Dollar Tree as well. And all of these bulbs, these ornaments right here, you have to excuse me, I'm out of breath. I'm 6 months pregnant. But all of these bulbs are from either Hobby Lobby. Actually, all of these are from Hobby Lobby. Yeah, all of these are from Hobby Lobby. And then I've got my ribbon right here, which I got from Michael's. And all I did really was kind of staple. They're two different kinds of ribbons, but I just stapled them together to kind of accent each other for the theme. So I've got all of these pieces kind of cut to put them around the tree. These snowflake ornaments are from Dollar Tree. These are so pretty. So are these from Dollar Tree. And then these ornaments are from Michael's. I got those today. And then extra hooks to put the bulbs in. So here is the tree. It is the 7-footer. It's all the way up to the ceiling. But it's perfect. Fraser firs are my favorite. And we just got it centered, which took like a half an hour. But we got it centered, which is the hard part. But it's perfect. And I love Fraser firs because they don't shed as easily as the grand firs and the noble firs. And you can get your ornaments on there really good. So I like these better. It takes them a while to start shedding. I think maybe by January 1st they'll be shedding really good, and that's usually by the time I get the tree out. So but yeah, these are my favorites. So let's get started. So I really love to decorate my tree with fake snow. As everybody probably knows, I love fake snow for everything, but I like just having a real tree, but then also having the feel of having a flocked tree, one of the artificial flocked trees. So I love to just spray the fake snow, and it does really good with the real tree. So it takes about 10 to 15 minutes for that fake snow to dry. So while that's drying, I'm just going to go ahead and hook some of these ornaments and get them ready to go on the tree. So now that that snow is dried, it is time to string the lights around the tree. And this year my husband asked me if I wanted flickering lights, and I said, you know what, I haven't had flickering lights in a couple of years, so why not? So we're doing flickering lights on the top half and then having the still lights on the bottom. So now I am putting up my ribbon, and last year was the first time that I had ever done ribbon in this style, and I absolutely loved it, so I wanted to do it again this year. And I have to say that it's pretty challenging to do it with a real tree versus an artificial tree, because the branches of the artificial tree can wrap around the ribbon and keep them in place better, whereas the real tree, you can't really do that because the branches will actually break. So I literally just stuck them in where they would, you know, fit in, and it actually worked out. I think the only challenging thing was my little 6-month bub kept rubbing up against the ribbon and they kept falling, which is not really seen in the video, but it was just really funny. was a bit too tall for a tree topper. It was actually all the way up to the ceiling, so I decided to add these silver picks at the top just to add some flair to the top of the tree. So when it comes to ornaments, I have no particular way that I do them. I just look at the tree and throw them on there literally. And this year I just really wanted to fill up my tree, and so I loaded this thing with ornaments and I loved it. So here is my tree all finished. I absolutely love how it came out. It is filled with ornaments exactly how I wanted it, and I'm just so excited that my Winter Wonderland theme came together with the tree and all of the other decorations. So I just love it. Once again, thank you ladies for watching. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a like, and I hope that it was also motivating for you to get ready for the holidays and to get your home nice and decorated for Christmas. Don't forget, if you are new here, to subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Merry Christmas.